Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix speaker cracking sound issue in iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, check your iPhone cover is not covering your speaker. So remove the cover. Secondly, I will prefer you always use listen to high volume. So if you will check your issue is solved. If it not solved, so click on settings. Now in settings, scroll down, click on general, click on software update. Now here you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, you will update software latest. After the updating, you will check your speaker is working. If it not working, so again click on settings. Now in settings, click on general. Now here scroll down, click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now here click on reset all setting. Enter your phone key, reset all setting. If it's just reset all setting, it's not reset your phone data. After the resetting, you will check your speaker is working. If it not working, so power button is volume down button is click. So power off the phone. Enter your after the restarting phone. Enter your key. So that's how you can fix speaker cracking sound issue in iPhone 17 Pro Max. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.